Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Shiv Nadar University, which is based out of Delhi NCR and which is Institute of Eminence and equivalent to DIM University status. So I'm going to talk about its admission process for 2025 for all its courses. Talk about the fee structure, the eligibility criteria, the key important dates for the SNUSAT exam, and the other thing. So if you see, I will start first with the engineering admission. So for engineering admission, many routes are available. So route one is first way is you can apply through JEE Mains score of 2025 or 2024. So high performance may be offered a direct admission based on the JEE Mains score. Second is that you can go for the SNUSAT exam plus APT exam. So that is the combination. I will talk more about this in the later part of the video. Third is if you have given the international exam, which is SAT, you can provide the SAT scorecard. Fourth way, if you are given ACT exam, you can provide that score. And the last way is they are also accepting now Q 2025 scores plus interview process. So that is for engineering. For the similar options are available for natural science department also. I'll talk about the courses. You can either go through JEE Mains plus interview or be SNUSAT plus interview, SAT plus interview, and ACT plus interview. So QT exam is not available here. If you want to go for the management and entrepreneurship related cases, then there is a SNUSAT first, second is through SAT, third is through ACT score, and fourth is your Q 2025 plus class 12 marks put together. Then after this, people will be called for the personal interview. So let's understand what is SNUSAT plus APT combination. So SNUSAT test is basically provided, and there will be 6 cycles for between January 2025 to July 2025 when you can attend SNUSAT exam, and this will be online home proctored test, right, which you can book a slot and give it. So about any SNUSAT exam, it has 2 sections, quantitative and logical reasoning. Quantitative, 20 questions are there and 45 minutes are provided, and for logical reasoning also 20 minutes and 45 questions, so total 1.5 hours for 40 questions. And this is compulsory for all the SNUSAT exams. Apart from that, everybody is also supposed to give APT exam, which is academic proficiency test based on your subject which you are choosing. So for BTech and BS computer science, both the fields, you need to have maths and physics based assessment. So maths 20 questions, physics 20 questions, and total 60 minutes or 1 hour is provided for this. Now talk about the key dates, right? So application start date was already November 15. Now early round application will go up to 31st March of 2025. So when you talk about the early round schedule, the last date to apply for the phase 1 will be 31st December, phase 2 will be 31st January, and phase 3 will be 31st March. So the phase 2 is currently going on, which is up to 31st March 2025 you can apply. So the second phase, 31st January, last date of scheduling, and 31st March for the third phase. SNUSAT APT exams you can give around 8th of February or 6th of April, and the result for the second phase will be declared 28th February, result for the first phase 24th January, and the result for the phase 3 will be 25th April up to March date which you have scheduled. And based on these phases, the day to pay fees is like for the first phase student up to 2nd February, second phase 10th March, and third phase students will pay fees up to 4th May. So now talking about the different courses within different departments. So School of Engineering courses are like chemical engineering. For humanities you see BDES, and for natural sciences you have BSc research in biotechnology. Then on the engineering side you have civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and computer engineering also available. On the School of Humanities side, you can do BA Research Economics, BA Economics and Finance. In the natural science side, you can do this BSc Chemistry, BSc Maths, BSc Physics. And engineering side, as I said, Electrical and Computer. Then you have Mechanical Engineering also, BA Research on the Humanities side in International Relationship. And the eligibility criteria for most of the engineering courses is that in the Physics, Chemistry and Maths put together, you should have got more than 65% in class 12. For the School of Humanities and Business, there you should have got 4 subjects put together more than 65%, including English. For BDES, for BSc Research Economics, again 4 subjects more than 65%, but must include English and Maths. So almost same thing is for all the departments of BSc and BA courses. So you can see even for BSc Physics and even the Business Bachelors of Management course also 65%, any 4 courses including English. I'll talk about the fee structure. So they have one-time payment. So application fees is 2,500. For every fees you attend, you have to pay 2,500. And admission fees, which is non-refundable, is 60,000. For any course you are doing, you have to pay 60,000 rupees as admission fees. And third one is the refundable fees, which is 30,000 at the start of the duration, and it will be refunded. Now talking about the actual tuition fees, not the application, and the living expense. So first column is tuition fees. So for BTech Chemical Engineering, the 1 year fees is 4 lakhs, and living fees, which is hostel fees, is 2,40,000. So total for BTech Chemical Engineering 1 year fees will be 6 lakhs. So that's quite costly. Same goes with other branches. Civil also 4 lakh plus 2 lakh 14,000. Total including hostel is 6 lakh 14,000. For computer science, fees is 5 lakh 50,000. Hostel is 2 lakh 14,000. Total hostel plus tuition fees is 7 lakh 64,000. So quite costly. BTech electrical and computer also, you can see 4 lakhs is the college fees, 2 lakh 14,000 hostel fees, and 6 lakh 14,000 will be total 1 year fees. Now further, if you see BTech Mechanical Engineering, total 6 lakh 14,000. Even for the BDES courses, fees are like 5 lakh 50,000 per year plus 2 lakh 14,000. So even 7 lakh 64,000 you have to give for studying BDES there. BA research also 3 lakh 50,000 is the fees, 2 lakh 14,000 is the hostel, 5 lakh 64,000 total. And in the similar range for economic and the research and economics and finance combination, 7 lakh 64,000. International relations total will be hostel put together 5 lakh 64,000. So you can see all the courses are included with the hostel fees, right? So BSc research and technology, all the streams, biotechnology, chemistry, maths, physics, everything is 5 lakh 64,000 including hostel fees. Now the last is Bachelor's of Management Studies, 7 lakh 64,000. And if you're going for BS in Computer Science with collaboration with International University, it will be like 10 lakh 14,000 for 1 year. So they claim there are some scholarship which are available merit based, school topper based, sports based, or the women based, and the other college board based. So let's see what is available. So merit based scholarship, like you will get 25% waiver in the tuition fees. For all the 4 years, 25% you can take a benefit. But to get this scholarship, you should have scored at least 95% in class 12th, at least 98% in JEE Mains 2024 or 2025, or at least 40 points in IB board, or score A in the Cambridge board. Then only you will be meeting this criteria of 25% scholarship. Second, they said about the school topper scholarship, which will give you 50% tuition fee waiver. So to get this 50% tuition waiver, you should have got at least 98% in your class 12th board exam. So that is also too much, so difficult to get. And the third way is based on the low income household, right? 100% tuition fee waiver if you are coming from economically weaker section. But for that one, you have to prove that your family income is not more than 3 lakhs. So if your family income is less than 3 lakhs, then you will get 100% tuition fee waiver. And you should be studying from any of these schools like Vidyagyan school or municipal school, out of living school, Vidya school, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, or any of the Super 30, Jawahar Jawahan Navodaya Vidyalaya, etc., and all those type of schools in India. So overall, it's very costly, and only if you can afford it, then you can go for this. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel. I will take the placements in the next video.